Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to use the clone features or clone tools on a Picsart application. So basically this tool can enhance your editing level of the pictures that you have. You can also create a new aesthetic picture from your basic picture. So you just need to open the Picsart and you just need to click the plus button and you just need to load the picture that you want to edit here. So here I will like to try to edit this. So if you want to clone the picture, you just need to go click these tools and then there will be a second line with the first tab, which is the clone here. So you just need to go click it. So the first thing we have to do is just placing these tools into this specific area that we want to start to clone. So here I would like to go place this into here, and then the next thing you need to do is just scratching the positions that you want to clone this picture. So I would like to start scratching here and you'll see now the picture is start to be cloned. And you can also placing the new object by go click this and placing this cursor first, placing it, and then you just need to start scratching the area that you want to place the clone. And you just need to do the same for the next. So basically that is the way, guys, how to clone or how to use these clone tools in a Picsart. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.